Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL command line client in Windows 10 operating system. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for download MySQL. First link will appear here from mysql.com/downloads. Just open this link and scroll down and click on MySQL community downloads. Then next, click on MySQL community server. Then go to Archives tab. In the product version list, we have to choose 5.5.62 version because MySQL command line client only available till this version. After this version, it included in MySQL Workbench itself. We have to download MSI installer file. Since I am using Windows 10 64-bit operating system, I'll just download this MSI installer file. Once this file is downloaded, just open it. Then click on next, accept terms and click on next. If you want to install complete features or custom features, you can just choose from here. For now, I'll just click on typical. Then click on install button. First, it will ask administrative permission. Click on yes. It Then it will start installing MySQL Server 5.5. That is MySQL command line client in your Windows 10 operating system. Once installation is completed, just click on finish. It will automatically start MySQL configuration wizard. Just click on next. We have to keep these selections at default. Just click on next. Now here we have to enter port number for TCP IP connections. By default it's set to 3306. But if this port already used by some other software or services, then it will throw an connection error at last. So make sure this port is free to use. If not, then enter any other port number. Then just click on this box and click on next button. Then keep this selection as default. You can change your MySQL service name from here. For now I am just leaving this as default. Now here we have to enter password for root login. We have to enter this password while logging in command line. Then click on next and click on execute button. It will start configuration of MySQL command line client. Once configuration is completed, click on finish. Now, if you open start menu, you will see here MySQL 5.5 command line client. I'll just open it. Enter password here which you have given while configuration. To see databases that are already created, just type show databases. This will show you databases that already exist in this command line client. These are some databases that already comes with command line client. I'll just create new database and create one table in it. And insert one row in this table. Here you can see everything working fine. If you are getting any type of error, then comment down below. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching.